Now, Saroj, a student of class 10, wants to represent table in web page, but she is unaware about the table tag. Explain her the role of th, tr, td tag. Write HTML code of a table and show that use of th, tr, and td. So first of all is this tr. Tr is for table row, and every row it will define. So we will deal row one by one, and then table header. So I'll just show you. But TD, we have already seen that it is data or cell. Particular data cell is TD content. So we have to make a table. We are making a table, and inside this table, these are rows. So there will be 3 rows: TR start, TR end. This is our first row, and inside this we have header. Table header will be only 1. Right here in this example, it's 1. So the content will be shown in the heading form. So 3 content: th, roll number, then name, and then stream. So roll number, name, and stream, these will be one row, and also they will be the header form. So we had a table. Now this is the first row. This is row 1. So three cells are there: th, same as td, but here th because it's a table data with header. So column 1, column 2, column 3 is there. Now coming to the second row. So this tr start, tr end. Now here we are going to give the content. What is the content here? Again 3 cells will be there: td, 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 3 td, no role span, no call span. So first will be 1, then here Ajay, and then here will be arts. And now coming to this tr, that means third row we are talking about. First row was not the content, it was just header. Now we have three content or 3 data, 3 record. So now td, 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 that means three columns we have, 3 cells we have in this column. 2 Vijay, and then commerce will be here. Commerce. Now this is also done. Now coming to third tr. Basically it's 4th tr, but for the record, for the content, it is 1, 2, 3. So this will be 3. So table data 3, then you have Ramesh, and then we have commerce, Ramesh and commerce. Okay, this is row 1, row 2, and row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 it is. What is the digital divide? Write any 2 reasons for digital divide in India. So what is digital divide? Now if you are living in Sheher or urban city or a metro, now you have a good mobile. You don't have problem of mobile. You have very good towers, so network connection is also good. 4G, 4.5G speed you are getting. So now you have all the digital say power with you. Now going to a village or some place which is remote on the mountain, etc. Now the mobile is, because they are not rich, so the internet facility is very low. The mobile is also not very smart. So this is the difference of the digital power these 2 individuals have. The digital divide refers to the differing amount of information, jankari, that is the digital content, information as well as work, because you are doing a digital work also today on all this digital thing. So left one has everything, that is they have access to information, communication and technology. They have left hand side. Right hand side people, they don't have access to it. So what is the reason? There are multiple reasons. First of all, the wealth. The left one has more wealth, right one has less wealth. Poverty. Left one, maybe they might not be that rich, but still they are moderately rich. But the rural area, it's very poor. Less literacy rate in rural India. That is, the literacy rate. Literacy rate is less. They don't know how to do the basic thing also, or they are not being taught. Define internet and write its 2 uses in our daily life. How it is different from the World Wide Web, www. First thing is, internet is a jala, a network. It's a network of networks. It's a global network of networks. Somebody is here, somebody is there. There are millions of users, millions of digital gadgets, millions of data, millions of routers, millions of networking technologies involved. So in this globe, the web of network is internet. Okay, all is network. Now on this network we do different kind of work. One is dealing with the web pages, dealing with the websites, dealing with the application, chat applications, etc. So these links, hyperlinks, pages is www, is www. So internet is a bigger brother and www is a part of this internet. It's a part, it's a subset of internet. So internet is worldwide network that links many smaller computer networks. So it's a mega network of smaller networks. The usage of internet is e-learning, e-commerce. You have seen that this whole year we just learned through e-learning, e-commerce, that is selling and buying everything on internet. That is, you are entertaining yourself by Netflix, you are paying your bill to the electricity department by e-commerce. So the difference between internet and www is, www, it is a collection of various hypertext documents available on the internet. So www is indeed a part of the internet. So www is basically, you have to talk about hypertext document. So it's a part of internet. Internet is very wide. It's a big giant network. So worldwide network that provides various other services, not only www, by email communication, file sharing, file transfers. There are so many. Okay. So this internet is based on TCP IP. There is a protocol stack. Previously it was ISO OSI model. So we have email, for that we have SMTP, POP, all these are combined to make an internet. www is a part. What is e-learning? Explain any two merits of e-learning. So e-learning, that is electronic learning. Learning via the digital means. Learning through internet. Learning through the digital media. So you have a computer, you have a smartphone in your hand, you have a tablet. Now you can use all of these devices, any of these devices. You can use applications like Zoom, Google Team. All these are the applications you can employ. Even the WhatsApp, you have the group call. So now you are here, your teacher is here, your student, your friend is there, and the teacher can teach these multiple students at the same time. And these are live classes. Even not the live classes, through, for example, YouTube. Say class 10th, you have computer science subject and there is a course. So number of lectures, if I made a course, so I just upload it on internet, lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3 of different chapters. Now anyone can anytime see this topic. They can ask question through comment. They can discuss, right? So e-learning, learning through the courses which are delivered online on internet. So first is, it is self-paced, means you can read at your speed. You can read today, you can read once again tomorrow, or in the night time. You can attend class anytime, anywhere. Even if you are at some remote location at your house, you can attend the class. So you can give quizzes, exams, etc. Now this is a very important question. It's of the highest marks. So this is a website, or you can say a web page you have to design. It's not a website, actually one page has been asked. So there are certain contents we have to see. First thing is, the background color is yellow. So background color of the page should be yellow. First thing. So we will use BG color. Second is heading, our country India should be the first level of heading. So what is the first level of heading? It's H1. So we'll give this our country India in H1. Then the image named india.jpg should be placed in the center. So this image, first of all, we have to use image, img, src, and then we'll try to make it center. So our country and this together will do. Now the formatting style, that is, there is a paragraph coming. India is spread like this. So the font size has to be 5 times now Roman, and the color is also given red. And one more thing, the content, this paragraph has some subscript and some superscript. Actually, they just have the superscript, not the subscript. So 7 has TH up, 2 has ND up. So we'll use the superscript because no subscript is there. Now facts should be written with the help of unordered list. So we'll use unordered list here. See, it's UL will start, will end with UL, and 3 LI we will give, and these 3 content will write there. So this is a brief idea I gave. Now let us see one by one. So we'll start with HTML, end with HTML. Body, start, body, end. But body background color has to be yellow. So BG color has to be yellow. Then you want this our country and this image has to come in the center. So when you want them to be in the center, let us take this heading and image together and then give it in the center. So we'll start with center, end with center. Inside this we'll do what? We'll start with heading. So center starts, center end. Everything which will come inside this will be centered. Now H1 heading, H1 close. So heading level, it is being shown that H1 heading, because highest heading is H1 only. Then the image, what is the source? It is given as india.img jpg. So you take img, then src, source is india.jpg, and then you close this center. These two work are done. Now coming to the paragraph. Now we have to start with P and end with P because it is a paragraph type. So you have to start P and end P, and inside this you have to write this content. So paragraph start, paragraph end we have done. Now font is red. So font color is red, size is given 5, so size is 5. And what is the type? Face. Face is Times New Roman. Inside this, whatever is written, just write it. Just there are two things, as 7th and 2nd. Here you have to use this superscript. So 7 sup, th sup. So sup inside this th is there, that will go up. That will raise to the power of 7. Similarly, your second, nd. So nd has to be kept inside sup because this is superscript. So nd will be 2 raised to the power nd like this. So now font end, this is done. Now coming to the list, the third part. So now this is an unordered list. Unordered list start, unordered list end. Now we have 3 content, li. So you have to write 3 li, you have to close it also because it is a container tag. And just write, you don't have to do anything, just copy and paste. Okay. Now answer the following. Now we have to write in very short. What is a hypertext link? So a hypertext link allows us to link HTML elements, which can be text or image, to another content or new section within the current element. So when we have a hyperlink, whenever you click it, it will take you to some other document or to the other part of the same document. It can take you to other website, it can take you to the other page of that website or to the same section. Give the name and syntax of the HTML tag which is used for creating a hypertext. This is anchor tag. So you will start with anchor tag, and href is the link address. You have to write this link address, whichever it is be. Link address I am writing just now. Now you want user to click so that it goes to certain thing. So this is click me or something, hypertext link text you will give, and you will have to close it with a. Neha also display a click here message on her web page, which when clicked opens a new web page, chapter2.html. Write the syntax of the HTML command she should use. So just she has to use a href chapter2.html, and then just you have to have click here because you will click here, then only chapter2.html will open. Next is on the same page, Neha, whose email is neha@xyz.com, wants to display a contact us message, which when clicked open the email program and allows the user to send a mail to Neha. Write the syntax of HTML command she should use. So don't worry about this. Same thing you have to write a anchor tag. In href you have to write mail to the email address. So contact us is the point where user will click and this mail will be sent, or mail performer will be open. So what you have to do, email program has to open. Even if you write email address, it won't happen. You have to write mail to. In order to open the mail program, you have to write mail to, then colon, then the email address. Explain the use of target attribute in the hypertext link tag. So this target, this specify where to open the link document when the link is clicked. So the link, when you click, it can be opened in the same tag, means same tab. So if you have a click me, for example, now you want to open it where? You want to open it on the same page, on the different tab, or on the different browser object. So the target attribute will show how the link when you click is going to open where, how, like. Okay, this is all about these question answers to our paper. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.